5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so in today's video, it's a super exciting video, something that I've never done on my channel, and this is my Instagram followers pick my makeup and my outfit. I was super excited for this video, so all I'm gonna do is let you guys watch me try to achieve what my Instagram followers picked, and then at the end you will see how it all comes together and if it looks good. So let's get into this video. The first thing I'm doing is my makeup, and the eyeshadow that they picked is a dark brown smoky eye, and that's what I'm trying to achieve. I'm using the Jackie Aina palette, all the browns in that, and then the Huda Beauty palette, one brown in that palette, and you can get that palette from Sephora, and the Jackie Aina palette is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know if they still have it, but it was a limited edition palette.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no fucking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should've told her I pop one. Fuck it, I pop one. Oh girl, I'm on one. Fuck it, I pop one. I pop one.
Two white cups and I got that drink. It could be purple, it could be pink. Pen and I you mix that bitch. Money never got till we get that bitch. And I'm on one, yeah. You know I'm on one, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yes, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So right here is kind of where this whole thing went left, because I mixed two foundation in my stash, and one of the foundation was actually a matte foundation. My skin is super dry and it does not do well with matte dry foundation. So my skin has not even been doing well, so putting on a matte foundation on it would just make it worse. I was going to actually scrap this whole video just because of this, but my content is based around real life, so I want to show you guys real life. We do make mistakes, and a lot of times a lot of YouTubers actually refilm videos that don't turn out how they want to turn out. So I wanted to show you guys what I did and show you guys that we all make mistakes, especially when it comes on to makeup. I need to stop being cheap though and actually go get my fall winter shade, and that's why I'm mixing foundation.
She cares about his money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no fucking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should know.
All I care about is money in the city that I'm from. I'll sing until I feel it, I'ma go until it's done. I don't need to say what's up, and my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should've told you I'm on one.
So I tried to put on a lot of bronzer and bronze my skin up to see what's about to happen. And I also tried out this new TikTok trick where you put eyelash glue in your eyelashes to keep your hairs up, and it actually worked.
Throw it up, watch it all fall out.
So this Kiss Lash glue is the truth. This is the fastest I've ever put on my lashes in my life. And I wanted to show you guys this in real time so I didn't fast forward it or anything. Get you this eyelash glue. They're normally in like beauty supply stores. All I did was put on my lash glue like how I would put on my eyeliner, but make sure it was close to my lash line. And this worked like heaven. I will never be putting on lash glue on the strip of eyelashes anymore. Strictly on my lids and strictly using Kiss lash glue. So after I sprayed my face, it's kind of giving, and the Instagram followers pick a dark purple lip. So I went in with a L'Oreal purple jumbo lip crayon, and then I'm going in with the Color Drain liquid lipstick. I'm not quite sure the exact color, but I'll link it in the description box for you guys. But this lip and this smoky eye is definitely giving what it's supposed to give, especially after I sprayed with some setting spray. The face is looking okay.
NAGBM Productions. The volume.
So my lovely Instagram followers actually picked the black dress out of the two, and the black dress is super nice. It's a rib material. It's from JLux label, and I have on a Shein jacket. My earring is also from Shein, and my necklace is from Amazon. My shoes is from Public Desire, and girl, I lost some weight. and nobody can tell me nothing. Your girl is feeling herself. Oh, and the bag was gifted from my mom. I'm sure y'all gonna sue me because the amount of time I've wore the shoes recently, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. And I love brown, especially during the fall winter months.
AGB Productions.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you to everybody that participated on my Instagram. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.